Today we're going to talk about the distributive model to multiply two-digit numbers. And then we're going to talk about how it is like the Windows method. The problem we're going to multiply is 45 times 34. We know that we can break down 40 and 5 and be the same thing as 45. We can also break down 30 and 4 to be the same thing as 34. What we're going to do is we're going to multiply 40 times 30 and 40 times 4. When I multiply 40 times 30, I know it's 4 times 3, which is 12, plus 2 zeros. I'm actually going to move that over because my adding space, I like it on the side. When I multiply 40 times 4, I know 4 times 4 is 16 plus 1 0. I don't like how I've lined that up. So I am going to make sure I line it up right in the right place values. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the 5 times the 30 and the 5 times the 4. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 1 0. And 5 times 4 is 20. When I add up all my numbers, I will know that I have multiplied and gotten my answer. 6 plus 5 is 11, plus 2 is 13. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. I know I put it on the next one, but that's okay. We can tell that 45 times 34 is 1,530. Now we're going to do the same problem using the Windows method, so you can see how they're exactly the same. You know that 3 times 4 is 12 plus 2 zeros. Look at this number 1200. Do we see that number right here? Yes, that's exactly what we just did for the first one. 3 times 5 is 15 plus 1 0. Do we see that number? Yes, it's right there. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 1 0. We see that number right here. And 4 times 5 is 20. And we see that number right here. The distributive model is the exact same thing as the Windows model. The only difference is you'll use arrows instead of boxes.